the tempo that you're gonna wanna get to is 70 BPMs, but to learn it, let's start much slower than that. Let's start back at 50 at least. Just always stay on track with your beat. So the beats are in 16th notes at first, like 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a, like that. If you learn that right there, that's the majority of the pattern for the verses. That's pretty much all the verses are, and it's the intro. So if you need to go back and look at that again, do it. You have C in the bass, and then G, that's the 5th of your chord, and then the 3rd of your chord is up here. So it's just a chord all spread out. Just leave that. You could do it with a G, but I like it with the B. C, G, E, C, G, E, C, G, E, C, G, E, E, B, E. And you hold out that last bit, 4 E and then you get back into it. That's what gives it that kind of, not like super steady feel, but it sounds so pretty. And then the F2, you're putting the 2 of the F on top. So it's more of an F9. But 2, if you go F, right next to it is G, and that's what makes it a 2. And you're just doing the 5ths all down here. We don't have any A's actually in this. It's very open. So you have, I'm doing the 5th and F, 5th, like that, and then C, F, 5th, C, F, 5th, C, F, D, E, 5th, F, 5th, C, F, 5th, C, F, 5th, C, F, 5th, and then this is your G7. Okay, you're doing that F, E on top with the G octave in the 5th in the bass. But you could just do like that with a G on the bottom, all right? If you need to stop the video and go back through that, definitely do it. I'm going to play through it right now to see if you can kind of see what it looks like. Just at that slow tempo again, the 50, 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a, like that, okay? So if you can get that, that's the intro, verse 1 and verse 2, which is awesome. Okay. If you're ready to move on to the chorus, let's go. If not, do not mess with the chorus. Go back, get the intro and the verse, since that's more than half of the song, really, unless you do the bridge a million times. For the chorus, we're going to do the same sort of pattern, timing-wise, but here's our D. So a D minor 7 is D, F, A, C. We're not going to hit the F in the bass. We'll hit the octave with the 5th like we've been doing, and a 5th on top, the F and C, to get that 7th in there. So it goes wide awake, drawing close, stored by grace, and all my heart is yours. 1 and 2 and 3 and then you can do a version of the that's just the intro again, but up higher on the instrumental. So if we count out the chorus, it's 1 E and a 2 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a. That's keeping it really simple and consistent, but it still sounds really pretty. Here's your D minor 7, and your left hand's keeping the same shape of octave with the 5th, right hand spreading out to the 6th for the A minor shape. And the C, the right hand can stay there because those two notes are the same for both chords, and then come down to here for G. D, A, G, and do that again because it's longer. 1 E and a 2 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 1 E and a 2 E. See 2 there. And a 2 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 1 E and a 2 E. So this is very slow, all right? Let's move that up to the normal speed so you can hear the difference, up at 70 for the chorus. 3 E and a 4 E and a 4 E. I'm wide awake, drawing closer, but grace and all my heart is yours. All right, here's the bridge for the song. If you want to do it nice and chill, you can just start with basic bass notes right here and doing the riff in the right hand. C, G, E, 3 steps down. C, G, E, 3 steps down. C, G, E, 3 steps down. And then it's a E, C, F, E, C, G, E, F, E, D, C, G, E, F, E, D, C, G, E, F, E, D, E, D, F, E, like that. Then if you add harmony to it, you could add harmony below your riff, like C, G, E, dun, 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 and if you want to do it more fancy, you can do interested in learning how to do those better, feel free to contact me.